articulation. Right everybody, welcome back to Sweden and to my workshop. Today you saw me make a pair of tongs, and these were actually, the blanks I had were from a previous project that you saw me do earlier, where I tried an experiment of drawing out material from a little piece of metal. And these are the results. I had the blanks laying around, and I was watching yesterday some YouTube videos of John Switzer, but also this World Championship farriers competition where they were forging tongs, and I was felt a big hankering to just go out and pound some metal and make a pair of tongs. And I must say, I think this is the best pair I've made so far. I think, you know, in time it went really fast. It took me about 50 minutes all in all with the blanks, and for me that's pretty fast because I was also taking care to go through the steps, and that's where you saw me when you did the first set down, put it at a 45 angle to make the second set down, and then the third set down. So I took my time there to just get it right and try to make both sides as even as I could. And also I let go of some pride today, and I used the grinder a bit to clean up the edges and just, you know, tidy up the tongs overall. And I think that was really good, because before I always been like, oh, you know, I got to do it exactly the most traditional way possible. But that has ended me up with decent tongs, but in the end they've been a bit wonky and wouldn't open as well as I wanted to. So this time I just made them, and my thought process was they should work afterwards. And I must say I'm really happy with the results. So they are from the edge of the nibs to the edge of the tong reins, 33 centimeters. A pair of short tongs for my forge, because, you know, it sends out a big devil's tongue, what you call it, a tongue of fire. So, you know, it will work, and I think I will use them for a specific project I have in mind when I make these herb cutters I've made before, and they've seen me done before, and so they will work really good, I think, with flat stock. And yeah, I'm really happy. The one thing I'm not happy about is putting boiled linseed oil on them in the end. When I started out, I was pretty good at that. It worked pretty well, but now not so much. You know, they come out a bit yellowy and stuff like that. So if you have an idea why that is happening, please leave a comment down below and tell me what I'm doing wrong. Alright guys, I hope you're all enjoying your summer, and if you feel the need to go out and make a pair of tongs after watching this video, please give me a shout out to let me know how it went for you. Alright? Take care everybody. Bye bye.